Hi everyone. This will be my first video since my husband got out of the hospital. He is doing better. He will be wearing a body cast for a while, and he'll be my taste tester. So if you see him sometimes without his body cast, don't think that he's not doing what he's supposed to do. It's just because sometimes I have some videos that I had made before he got hurt that I will be posting in between the ones that I am posting after he got hurt. So today we're going to be making baked spaghetti casserole. So for the baked spaghetti casserole, we're going to need 16 ounces of spaghetti, and you want it already cooked. 1/4 cup fresh parsley, 1½ cups mozzarella cheese shredded, 1/3 cup Parmesan cheese shredded. And for the sauce, we're going to need 1 pound ground beef or Italian sausage, and I'm going to be using ground beef at 93% lean, 1 small onion diced, 2 cloves garlic, 1½ teaspoons Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon salt or to taste, 1 green pepper diced, 32-ounce pasta sauce. I only have a 24, so I will add some pizza sauce or some tomato sauce with it just to make it enough. A 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is preheat the oven 375. Then you go ahead and take a big frying pan and add your pound of ground meat. Put it over medium-high heat. Add your green peppers, which is 1 medium green pepper diced, 1 small onion diced, 2 garlic cloves, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and cook that all together until the hamburger is ground. Cook that all together until the hamburger is brown. Alright, so the hamburger is brown, and if you have some grease from your hamburger, now's the time to drain it. Okay, so next you want to go ahead and add your spaghetti sauce. I have 24 ounces of the tomato, basil, garlic, and 8 ounces to make the 32 ounces of pizza sauce. And then 1½ teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and then put it on a simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so we want to go ahead and add the sauce to the spaghetti. And add the 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley and stir it all up. Then you go ahead and dump it in a 9 by 13 pan. Make sure it is completely stirred. Okay, so I went ahead and put the 1½ cups of mozzarella cheese all over the casserole, and then I went ahead and added the 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese on top of that. Then we'll put it in a 375-degree oven for 20 to 30 minutes until it is hot and bubbly and the cheese is browned. Alright, so here's the baked spaghetti casserole, and rounding off the meal is ciabatta bread. I'll go ahead and get my husband to do a taste test.
This looks really good. I can't bend over. It tastes really good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.